Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good and fine at your home. So today we will learn about a new thing which is singular and plural. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now first can you tell me how many sketch pens are there? Yes, one. And now we will tell me how many sketch pens are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 sketch pens. When there is one, it suggests singular, and when there is more than one, then it suggests plural. Okay, so today we will learn about singular and plural. So what does singular mean? Yes, singular means one and plural means many or more than one. Okay, there are some rules to change the words singular to plural. I will show you the examples like this. There are some words which take s only to form plural. Okay, so here is the word girl, G-I-R-L, girl. It is in now singular, and to make it plural, what will we add? Yes, s. Like this. Now it is girls in plural. Okay, so next word. Here is the word R-O-O-M, room, and to make it plural, what will we add? Yes, s. Now it is rooms. Next word, table, T-A-B-L-E, table, and in plural it will be tables. Next one, car, C-A-R, car. It is in singular, car, and in plural it will be cars in plural. So there are some words ending with s, double s, sh, ch, x and z, which make their plural form by adding es. Now I will show how it makes plurals. Okay, here is the first word, bus, bus. As there at the end there is s, so what will we add? Yes, es. Like this, buses, bus, bus, and in plural it is buses, buses. Next one, glass, glass, glass. As there in the end it is double s, so here also it will es will be added here, like this, glass, glasses. Next example, again it is ended with sh, so that's why according to rule in plural form it will be bush, bushes. Next one, bench, 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 and in singular it is bench, and in plural it will be benches, because in this word in the end there is ch, so in plural it will be benches, benches. Next one, fox, 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 and there at the end x is there, that's why again it will be plural with es, fox, foxes. And the last, in this rule there is a z at the end of this word, topaz, T-O-P-A-Z, topaz. As there is z at the end of this word, so there will be es in plural form, topazes, T-O-P-A-Z-E-S, topazes. Okay, so next rule, there are some words they are ending with y, and if the y is preceded by any consonant or qu, so the word will be changed in plural into ies. Okay, now I will show you how these words will be changed. Here is the first word, body, B-O-D-Y, and at the end what is it? Y. Yes, so y is also preceded by a consonant which is D. So what is the rule here? Y will be changed into I in plural. Then we will add es. So what will be the word in plural form? B-O-D-I-E-S, bodies. Next one, city, C-I-T-Y. It is same like the previous one, so the rule will be the same also. What will we do? We will change the Y as it is preceded by a consonant T. So in plural it will be C-I-T-I-E-S. Y is changed into I, and then we add this es, cities. Okay, so from city to cities. But if there is Y at the end of the word and the Y is preceded by any vowel, like this word here, B-O-Y, boy. Here at the end there is Y, but the Y is preceded by a vowel O. So to make it plural, what will be added here? Only S. We will add only S here. So the word will be B-O-Y, boy, plus S, boys. Another word, day, D-A-Y, day. Here also the Y is ending letter and this is preceded by a vowel A. So here we should add only S, not ES or IES. Okay. So what will be the plural form? Days, D-A-Y-S, days. Next, there are some words which ending with F or FE. So in that case, we will change the words from singular to plural. The F will be turned into V. So F and FE will be turned into V, and then we will add ES. So let's see some examples. First one, there is a example, calf, C-A-L-F. So at the end there is F. So it will be changed into what? Yes, V. Next, there will be added what? Yes, ES. So the full word is C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. Next example, knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Here the word is also ended with F-E. So what, according to rule, we will change the F-E into V. Yes. Next we will add ES. So in plural form it will be K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. So from singular K-N-I-F-E it will be knives, K-N-I-V-E-S in plural. Next one, there are some words where in them there are vowels. So when we change these words, we will change only the vowel portion, not the whole words. Okay, so first example is here, mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, and what is the vowel here? O and U, right? So we will change only the vowel, but only one vowel, not the both vowel, and we will change only one vowel. So what will be this in plural? M-I-C-E, mice, not mouses or anything else. Here only the vowel will be changed. Next example is tooth, T-O-O-T-H. Here is also two vowels, double O. So we will change these two vowels, not the single one, but we will change these two vowels. There was type of vowels one, but there was double. That's why I am saying this. Now I will change this into teeth, T-E-E-T-H. That double O is changed into double E. It is the last one. And next rule, there are some exceptional words which we will change with adding en. Like here is ox, ox, but in plural we will not write oxes or anything else. We will add en like this. O-X-E-N, oxen. This is singular ox and the plural is the whole. O-X-E-N, oxen. Next one, it is child, C-H-I-L-D, child. And when we will make the plural form of this word, what will we do? We will add R and En like this. C-H-I-L-D, child, R-E-N, children. So here is all about singular and plural numbers. I hope you have enjoyed it and you have got this matter. And if you want to ask anything, you can ask me in a group. So till then, bye bye, and I will meet you again in the next video. Bye.